first, our special awardees, before we will hand in our medals to our three teams. We will now begin the giving of the special award, Golden Boot Award. This is given to the player with most number of goals scored, and this is given to Juliana Winstel VP of Davao City. Congratulations to our Golden Boot awardee from Davao City. Then requesting together with our tournament manager, sir, of course.
One, two. Okay.
Next award, this will be given by our assistant tournament manager, Sir